Under the baga. Parang kasi blow namin.
I really wanted that shot to be the first one to vote someone off.
Yeah. Because you can see, di ba, kanina, like, everybody was too cocky and, you know, we should never do that.
Ay, tagumpay ng isa! Ay, tagumpay ng lahat! Hindi pa tapos.
Masyado kami nagtiwala sa sarili namin na kaya namin to. Wala yung iwan talaga. Medyo na-overconfident kami. Which is mali pala.
But the team that did the puzzle,
yeah,
I was really hoping that...
Tama ka nga, dapat
I told you should have gone in that team.
In the puzzle. Diba?
Si Aipa ang sasayaw. Dapat si Aipa.
Or Aipa. Sayo na, dali.
Okay, guys. Let's make this official. Every time after a challenge, win or lose, we always have the Bulan dance.
Okay. Yes, you're right.
No, it's only 2 moves, okay? It's like this. Just like that. Now, the music to the Bulan dance is none other than the famous. We made this dance, and the way the dance works, it's a game, parang game to eh. So, kailangan merong fire. Tapos lahat kami, we make a circle around the fire. And one person starts with one move, and the next person has to remember the move, and then he or she has to make another move.
It's an ancient Samoan phrase for courage. But if you ask each and every one of them, they'll say it's something different. It was the first time that I actually got to really hang out with Bulan team and bond with them after the challenge.
We're gonna start the Bulan fire after this, man.
Si Casey, natuwa kami sa kanya kasi hindi namin na-expect na ganun pala siya kakulit. Nadagdagan pa ng isang makulit sa grupo namin kasi yung pinakamakulit sa amin sa Arnold eh. Eh, tandem pala sila.
Okay, guys. First, I wanna say sorry. I screwed up. I messed up. Hindi namin na-solve talaga yung puzzle. Tapos hindi ko rin na-control yung sarili ko, nasabit yung ano.
Which to me, it wasn't her fault. I think it was all 3 of them put together.
Pabayaan mo na lang kasi tapos na eh. Wala ka rin magagawa kung sasabihan mo, di ba? Hindi naman ako nainis na sa kanya na parang nainis ako sa nangyari.
Kami ni Step talaga, na tutugma kami, kaya lang parang nagugulo talaga. Parang piling ni Mama Belle, mali yung nangyayari. So, isipin mo naman, paano makukuha namin paano makuha ni Step yung puzzle kung hindi namin na-gets yung word, hindi namin nabuo yung first word. Gusto ko na rin umuwi sa comfort zone. I miss my bed, I miss my kitchen, I miss my civilized life. I have trips abroad eh. Yun naman ang sinabi ko kay Mara, ipapasok lang kita tapos na uwi na ako. Actually, tin-turn down ko nga ito eh. Kaya lang umiyak si Mara. Sabi ko, I can continue with my career. But, umiyak! So gusto ko din sila na tumagal kasi kailangan nila itong exposure for their own careers. Eh ako ano na ako eh, in high profile actress naman ako.
So, kumbaga, I don't need Survivor to complete me. Sinabi ko na yun sa umpisa pa lang eh. Hindi ko kailangan ng Survivor to complete me. I wanna go back to my comfort zone. I miss my kitchen. Kaka-renovate ko lang ng kitchen ko. Ang ganda-ganda.
Tsaka you guys need this more than I need. This is very good for young people. But for people like me, my God, I have set ways. Established na yung ano ko, yung paraan ko sa buhay. Sanay na ako ng mga gagawin ko. Kaya, although I'm gonna miss the group, you are such a funny group. Kaya nga, alam mo, this Survivor team, in the first, yak, Mara, at tanda-tanda mo. At least nakalast ako ng 3 days. Tama na siguro yun. Si Geneva nga, hindi pa nakaluto. Hindi pa tayo natapos na isang araw eh, nag-quit na, di ba? Okay, oh. Tsaka ayoko naman umabot sa quitting. At least binigyan ko siya ng good fight. I gave it my best foot forward, di ba? Hindi, meron na ako yan. Hindi ko kailangan magpakabaho, magpakaano. The reason I'm here naman is for Mara. You know that, di ba?
Pero I guess happy ako na lahat tayo as a group nag-uusap.
Tsaka I'm really happy na sa group na to talagang hindi ko naramdaman yung alliance.
Lahat kami nag-usap around the bonfire and malungkot lahat kasi parang we were saying goodbye na to mommy.
Pag umiiyak ka, naiiyak din ako. I know you like this. Tsaka, I'm very happy to see you here.
Kasi alam ko naman na yun yung gusto niya eh. Tsaka alam ko, ang gagawin lang ng mommy ko kung ano gusto talaga niya. Hindi ko siya kailangan pigilan kasi kung yun yung gusto ng mom ko, I'll give it to her.
Nasad kami, and at the same time, medyo relieved ako because I thought, okay, this is good. Because, you know, let's be honest, we need to keep the tribe strong. And if we vote out Mami Bell, then we keep all the young people in the tribe.
Sayonara part, sa'yo.